On behalf of the New Jersey Department of Health, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to our first ever Oral Health Conference here in New Jersey. Oral health is indeed an essential part of our overall well-being. It affects how we eat, speak, and interact with others, and it's closely linked to our general health. Poor oral health has been connected to serious conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and respiratory infections. Beyond physical health, it also impacts our confidence, our mental health, and our overall quality of life. By taking care of our mouths, we're not just protecting our teeth and gums, we're supporting our overall health and well-being. As we begin our conference, I think I can speak for the organizers at Robert Wood Johnson Foundation and our department leadership when I say we're pleased to see such a strong turnout, both in person as well as online. Your presence today underscores the importance of this meeting. Let's take a moment